Hello everyone, welcome to our programming library. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to download and install R and RStudio in the computer. And I'm going to start with R first. So first of all, open your browser like as I have done here, and then type RStudio. Sorry, R project. Then you'll arrive to this page which reads the R project for statistical computing. Click here. Then you will be directed to a page called www.r-project.org. Then you can see a download title here, and below that download title you can see a CRAN title here. The CRAN stands for the Comprehensive R Archive Network, and it consists of a large collection of CRAN meters. So let's click on that CRAN title, and then you can see different collection of CRAN meters in different countries. You can download any one of these CRAN meters depending on where you are and which one you want to download. For me this time I'm gonna go to USA here, and we'll download this University of California Berkeley CRAN meter this time. So let's click on that. Now you have different options to download according to the operating system you are working with. If you are working on Linux, then this first version is your choice. If you are working in Mac, go for the second one. And if you are working with Windows, as we most of us do, then this third option is the best choice here. And for this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install for Windows. So I'll click on here. Now you came to this page where there are different subdirectories to download R. And if you are new to R programming and installing R for the first time, go for this binary for best distribution. So let's click on that. Finally you'll arrive to this page where you can download R for your machine, and you can click in here the download R 3.4.3 or whatever versions it has for Windows. So click on here. Then a window will pop up for downloading the .exe file for this R installation, and just click on and save this file in any folder you want, and then after successfully downloaded the R, just double click the installer the .exe file, and then you should be able to install the program as you do for any other program. Just remember to leave all the default settings as it is. There should not be a problem on that. Then after successful installation of R, you can see a big R icon on your desktop like this. Okay, and double click on this R and you'll see a R console, which is a R interface. But this R interface is not used for R programming, though it is still needed as a mirror interface. For R programming, the RStudio software is used, which is more user friendly. So let's go to download RStudio now, and for that let's go back to our Google and type RStudio this time, and then we'll click onto this RStudio open source and enterprise ready professional software for R. Then click onto this product, and you can see RStudio here. Then you can see two versions. First of all, the desktop and server. We want RStudio desktop, and also there are two options for us to use RStudio. One is the open source edition, and there is commercial license. The open source edition is free, but for commercial license, you have to pay $995 per year. So let's go for this free version. And now again, you have been given different choices. This is just like the previous case, whether you want to go for free version or you want to take the commercial license for RStudio. Let's go to free version here, and finally you can click here to download RStudio. And to do that, again you'll be given different options of installer for different platforms of your machine. For Windows platform, there is the first option, so let's click here, and again a window will pop up for downloading the .exe file, and you can download it anywhere in your folder. And then after successfully downloading, double click on that .exe file, and you can install RStudio as you do for any other programs. After the complete installation, you can see a RStudio icon on the desktop. So let's double click on that. So this is our RStudio, where most of the R programmings are done nowadays. So yeah, we successfully downloaded and installed R and RStudio in our computer, and you can try these steps to install R and RStudio in your computer. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again in the next video.